Hola, me llamo es Miss Day. Guys, I wanted to try to give you some information about translating. So the first thing that you can do is just simply go to Google Translate. If you just come onto the internet and type in Google Translate, then that's the quickest way. You will have a box here, so you can type in your English to your Spanish. You can even flip it. Okay? And it will even say it for you.
Mucho español, pero quiero mostrarte algunas herramientas para traducir. Google Translate es la forma más rápida de traducir. Debe iniciar sesión en Internet y escribir el traductor de Google. Elija los idiomas e ingrese su mensaje en el cuadro de texto. Cuando esté en la base selección de módulos, verá un botón en la esquina superior derecha para traducir la página. Se llama lector inmersivo cuando está viendo un video. Puede seleccionarse subtítulos y cambiar el idioma.
Alright, so I'm going to show you this one, how to use the translator in Canvas, and also closed captions when you watch a video. So let's go back over to Canvas. Let's say that you come into modules and you're ready to work on module 3. You will see here it says Immersive Reader. If you click Immersive Reader and then click the book, you can change the language here. There's Portuguese, there's Spanish, what happened? It didn't work. Spanish by word, oh, by document, right here. Alright, so this will translate the entire page. Okay. Excellent. I believe it will also read it to you. I think that this will read it to you. Very nice. So you can use this option to help you translate. Okay, it's this button right here. Also, I wanted to show you closed captions. So let's say we're going to watch a video. Let's go to the video. Here we go. Let's say we're going to watch this video. Okay, wait. You can see when I hover over the video, you see this button here, closed captions. If you click on closed captions, closed captions. Oh, It is on. Okay, if I want to change the settings, so if I want to change the settings of closed caption, then I have to click here. That's right. And then you see how it says subtitles, English. You can change the language here by saying auto translate, and then you scroll down and select your language. Okay, there's Portuguese, and here's Spanish, and now when you play, you can see the Spanish. Very nice. So that's those a couple of different ways that you can translate into Spanish. All right. So of course you can always reach out to me, and I will do the best I can to help you. And Mr. Garcia, both of the Mr. Garcias, Miss Bagley, Mr. Bassford, any of those teachers probably know more Spanish than I do, so we can always ask them for help as well. All right, thank you so much. Gracias. Very nice to meet you. I will see you soon.